Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications straight from the top, extend the list of toggles right here, and on one of the pages you should be able to find screen recording. So for me it looks like it's on the third page, right as a first toggle right here. So once you locate yours, you can just simply tap on it, select start recording. It gives a countdown and obviously then starts recording. Now you can open up obviously any kind of application while recording. Some applications will be blocked by the screen recording, so keep that in mind. If you hello, can I record or can I draw? Ah, there we go. So anyway, I'm gonna stop this right now by tapping on the square, and this will save it to gallery. Now going back to some of like apps that might block it. So for instance, Netflix will be one of those applications that blocks screen recording for obvious reasons. You will still manage to record audio, but other than that you will just have a black screen of nothingness, even though you might be just watching a show. But for obvious reasons it is blocked. And obviously there are some other apps, for instance bank accounts, that will also block this. So usually get some kind of pop-up that it's blocking it or that it's not allowed or something like that. So should be quite easy to figure it out. But obviously if you start viewing back the video and you see blackness, just void of nothingness, probably the app that you were trying to record was blocking it. Now quickly going into our recording, you can find it in Photos application under albums once it loads it. There we go. So library, and you will have screen record, and then here obviously you will have the recording. So there we go. Now one more thing, sometimes you can access the settings by holding the toggle. So let's see if we have any settings right here, and it looks like we do, but it's fairly limited. So we can change the size of the camera, because you can add the selfie camera to the recording. This is the actual size that will be visible on the screen. Then we have resolution, which is already set to 1080p. Don't recommend changing it to anything lower. And honestly, that's the only worth mentioning settings. We don't have anything with frame rate, so that's a little bit of a shame. So by default, the phone seems to be set up just to the best settings. But anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.